In this video, you'll practice the conjugation of the verb to become in the simple future tense. You'll learn how to conjugate it and play some games to reinforce your learning. Let's start.
Le verbe devenir, au futur. Je deviendrai.
I will become.
Je deviendrai. Tu deviendras.
You will become.
Tu deviendras.
Il deviendra.
He will become.
Il deviendra. Elle deviendra.
She will become.
Elle deviendra. Nous deviendrons.
We will become.
Nous deviendrons. Vous deviendrez.
You will become, plural.
Vous deviendrez.
Ils deviendront. They will become, masculine. Ils deviendront.
Elles deviendront.
They will become, feminine.
Je deviendrai. Tu deviendras. Il deviendra. Elle deviendra. Nous deviendrons. Vous deviendrez. Ils deviendront. Elles deviendront.
Now, let's play a game. To practice this verb, jump to the correct answer. You'll become, plural. We will become. He will become. They will become, feminine. I will become.
Maintenant, on va pratiquer. Le verbe devenir, au futur.
Please translate to French. I will become.
Je deviendrai.
We will become.
Nous deviendrons.
They will become, feminine.
Elles deviendront.
Merci. À la prochaine.